to Growth or Talk Show. Hi, my name is Ruchi, and today's podcast is going to be a mind-boggling one. You know what? We have got some amazing young minds with us. कहते हैं ना तारे जमीन पर, सो ये सब बेहतरीन से वाले तारे हैं, सितारे हैं जो आज ग्रोथ पॉड टॉक शो पे आए हैं. They've got this winning prize, and that is why they are here. ग्रोथ ने एक इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किया था जिसका नाम था CYO, दैट इज चीफ यंग ऑफिसर, एंड वी हैव गॉट द विनर्स ऑफ CYO. क्यों थे वो विनर्स? बिकॉज दे पिच्ड अ परफेक्ट बिजनेस प्लान टू द जजेस. एक इवेंट का नाम, उसमें एक सब सेगमेंट था पिक्चर परफेक्ट. पिक्चर परफेक्ट में उनको अपना बिजनेस पिच करना था. जजेस ने उसको जज किया एंड दे फाउंड दिस टीम टू बी द बेस्ट अमंगस्ट ऑल. सो आई वेलकम हियर the four of the winners of Picture Perfect. Welcoming. Hi Shashwat.
Hi.
Hello Dravya.
Hi.
Hi Pushti.
Hello.
Hi Krisha.
Hi.
So this four minds bagged the award of Picture Perfect. Now let's talk about कि उनके business का plan क्या था, उनके personal aspirations क्या थे, और मम्मा पापा से डांट अभी भी पड़ती है कि नहीं पड़ती है. All right, to begin with, so who will tell me what was the business that you pitched? Yes.
Okay. So he pitched a business named Sporticals.
Mm-hmm.
So with teenagers, I don't think I know a single teenager who doesn't like sports, any
Mhm.
form of sport. So he thought sports as a whole, why don't we put a business onto that? Before I get into what sport really is, we were given 20 minutes with two options, rental and quick commerce. Everyone was taking quick commerce and we had our hearts in rental. So we thought, why not rental? We did rental. We came up with a business, like I said, named Sporticals, which rents out sport items to the general public and disabled people.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So now over to Sam.
So we thought that why only rent sports item for normal people? What about the disabled? They are also allowed to play sports, and they also I've seen many disabled people who want to play sports but can't afford the equipment. So we decided to rent out the equipments for the disabled people, we rented out for months and for a very cheaper price. So if there were tournaments, so they can keep the equipment with them for a month, and after the tournament they can return it. And we also decided to rent out like safety gears, because safety is very important, and many people who have safety gears still get injured because they are not maintained. Like Neymar Junior, he is very he's too rich, but because of like not maintaining the gears properly, he's at the bench.
Okay, so you don't want anybody to sit on the bench.
No, everyone needs to play.
But that's a lovely idea. What do you say, Krisha?
At that point, I noticed that disabled people rarely got the opportunity to buy these kind of facilities for them.
Right.
So why don't we open a rental business where we can sell or let people rent some facilities, especially let disabled people rent, so they can get an opportunity to play sports. Everyone likes sports, so who would not like to play it?
Such a beautiful thought. Yes.
I feel like the root idea that all of us agreed upon was there was a huge market gap for rentals of sport items, and we just wanted to be one stop for all and provide everything under the name of sports.
So Pushti, help me understand. I also feel that renting a business gives you lot of sustainable market industry, because you're not then buying certain things again and again. How do you all see about? Is it going to help you somewhere into sustainability as well?
Definitely, and I guess when we were coming up with this idea, there was a really beautiful point that Dravya brought up, and I would like him to share about.
So see, I play football and I remember when my first tournament came up, I needed studs. But it was, I don't know, 5 matches in a span of 1 month. And we had to buy new studs, which I wasn't really going to use after that. So I thought, if I can just rent it for 1 month, if I could have saved money and bought something that I would really use at that moment. So that's when this idea came into our mind, not my mind especially, that why don't we rent out sports, equipment of sports? Because that's what is sustainable and will help.
मुझे लगता है कि स्पेशली विद द ग्रोइंग एज पीपल, आपके पेरेंट्स के लिए ये तो सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट हो सकता है कि बच्चे की अगर शू की साइज बढ़ गई, टी शर्ट्स की साइज बढ़ गई, इवन द गियर्स, द बैट्स, द वेट, तो उन लोगों के लिए तो एटलीस्ट ऐसा होगा कि रेंट पे लिया है तो चलो इट वुड बी व्हाट समवेयर अराउंड, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, हेल्प मी अंडरस्टैंड, 70-75% ऑफ द कॉस्ट रिडक्शन इफ यू go for
Definitely.
rented sports
Sure.
gears, right?
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic. So you're bringing up something really cool for the parents and the kids, especially with what Sashwat and Krisha you mentioned for the disabled people. I really appreciate this thought. इतनी young age में आप चारों को ये thought भी आना commendable. Alright, so let's move to the next question. Why Sporticals? What's so special about this name?
I would like to take that up. We use the term articles for anything and everything that can be sold under one category.
Right.
And our category was sports. So why not put sports and articles together, and we came up with Sporticals.
Lovely. So is that going to cover sports gears, everything about almost all sports?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, but you know, for the footballer's take, it's extremely detailed.
Mm-hmm.
We can't go into that much area of expertise because for that amount you need actual professional experts.
Mm-hmm.
So of course basics and even a little advanced in the basics, that's what we cover and that's what we will be running.
Okay. So that's for football and
Any sport.
every sport. So which all sports? Sashwat.
Cricket, football, people who like do skating, some people play baseball, so baseball, prosthetics, the extra prosthetics for footballs and basketball.
And what about pickleball, which is upcoming? Which
Yeah,
is very
definitely.
trendy.
Sure.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Okay.
Pickleball also.
You have a point for sure with pickleball, but I don't think we would grow on that because I've gone to many pickleball courts and usually they provide the rackets.
Yeah.
Rackets and balls are provided by them.
But
So how about tying up with those institutes? Can we?
Yes, can.
Okay,
and
you got to sit with me then. Probably we can do a lot more together. A lot
and
of
for
collaborations.
pickleball,
Yes.
there are tournaments held, and you don't get the rackets. You need some professional kind of racket for that. So you can rent it out from us for a specific tournament. So that's
Sashwat is very helpful. So team, and especially all the people who are right now in Ahmedabad, do not buy any sports gears. You've got to approach to Sashwat and the Sportical teams and rent it out. Please save the money and use them wisely. Alright, so up next, the question is कि marketing plan, capex, capital कैसे decide किया, कितना चाहिए होगा, कितना पैसा लगा होगा, कौन बताएगा?
I think.
Yes, Krisha.
So basically, the total investment needed was at least 60.5 lakhs.
60 lakhs? Oh my god. Okay, alright.
Where for equipments we needed 27 lakhs.
Okay.
Then including marketing for social media and outdoor marketing and warehouse, we needed 10,000 each. And 6.5 lakhs and 7 lakhs for the materials and employment.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
So that total up to somewhere around 60 lakhs.
60 lakhs.
Okay, आप
Just
सबका
for- yeah.
Add up a bit because when she's not wrong for most of it, but she did 10,000 I suppose.
It's 10 lakh.
It was
for
10 lakhs.
marketing.
कोई बात नहीं, तभी टीम एफर्ट्स होते
Of
हैं,
course.
तभी टीम वर्क होती है.
So she put marketing and warehouse together. No, it's to separate for 10 lakhs.
Okay,
And
Yeah.
marketing involves collaborations
Collab.
with big sport companies,
lovely.
outdoor like the hoardings and boards. Then there's social
Sport
media.
models.
And yes, websites.
Cool. Alright, so your website is going to be a dynamic, so people can go and book whatever gears they
Yeah.
want. So you will
Yeah.
be keeping the stock updated there and then they can apply. Again, you will be providing them those sports gears at their workplace or their residence via logistics.
Yes.
So you will have team for deliveries as well, you will have team for managing the warehouses as well, and you all are brilliant any which case. So everybody is going to take up a charge of some or the other role.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So who has taken up which role? Who's going to handle as marketing?
Me.
You're going to handle marketing. Lovely. Finance? You're going to finance. Oh, lovely. And what about HR?
I can do HR.
So you're good at handling the team.
Yes.
And what about the business development?
I'm more of a CEO.
Ah, alright. Aha. Team इसके ऊपर ज़्यादा ध्यान रखना, कुछ ज़्यादा ही ले रहा है. Okay, but jokes apart. Alright. So now let's move on to next question. You talked about the social contribution.
Yes.
Right, that was one of the prime factor at the picture perfect, क्योंकि business सब कोई करता है. आपके जजेस ने ये बोला था कि lot of weightage would happen at the social contribution that you can think from this business. So what was the social contribution you thought of?
of course, a major chunk of our business is focused upon the disabled people, and we would definitely like to contribute more in that area. Once we are profitable, of course, a part of the profit would go into building up academies that promote sports for disabled people. Especially, we would have coaches, we would have ground, and special training would be given to them. Of course, the equipments will be provided by us, and just we want to encourage all those people and let them know that it's not a limitation for them to dream about sports and having a sports career.
That's a beautiful thought, Pushti and team.
I would like to add,
Yeah, sure.
like disability is not just a bad ability; it's a different ability.
Definitely.
Bingo, Sashwat. Okay, so tell me, since all of you are on the common page that sports is the thing that everybody wants to play or have in their life. First thing, tell me, what does sports teach you individually? What has sports, any particular game, how have you taken it up? क्या सिखाया आपको?
Discipline, the
Discipline.
most important thing.
Okay.
And learning from your mistakes.
Lovely.
And when you're playing a sport and if you lose, you're just not don't get angry. You focus on what you did wrong and just keep doing it and practicing.
Nice.
I think my point kind of differs with him.
Okay.
When you lose, it is the end of the world, but you're starting another one.
Okay.
You have to build upon that loss. You have to win the next match, and you don't have an option. You have to win.
Okay. All right. I like that ideology. Yeah.
Sports has taught me confidence and
Uh-huh.
on the pitch, ego, not outside. Other than that, I just wish to be kind, humble. But when I'm on the pitch, I have to show that I can do it.
So, to phrase it correctly, it should be the attitude.
Ego.
Ego. All right.
I was taught that by Cristiano Ronaldo.
Okay. All right. What about
For what Dravya said, me and Dravya are on the same page.
so, ego?
Attitude.
Attitude. Yes, that's what my point is as well. But okay, understanding that ego and attitude is same for this especially because that's what I also feel. Cool. What about you, Pushti?
I would like to bring in another aspect.
Uh-huh.
Sports is teaching basically teamwork, showing up for your team, giving it all. And I would also like to focus when it is an individual sports, yes, losing is the end of the world. I agree with that. And but just taking yourself up from there. So perseverance, of course.
Very true.
Yeah.
लवली ये सब इतने ना बड़े बड़े लोग बात करते हैं आप आज आप भी यही बात करते हैं आई एम रियली हैप्पी टू नो दैट
For sports, like my favorite quote is by Michael Jordan. Hard work wins games, but teamwork wins championships. That's my favorite quote.
लवली ओके योर पेरेंट्स शुड आल्सो नो अबाउट दिस पेरेंट्स को पता है
Yeah, I
Lovely.
have I have whiteboard and I have written it and it's like hanging behind my bed.
Oh my god, I think you're going to be an inspiration to a lot of your peers today. Whenever they hear it, this is going to be really very inspirational. Alright, so coming now a little out from Sporticals, your business, I want to know the real side of you. So let's hear your introduction. Sashwat, what do you do? How old are you? Which school do you go to?
I study in DPS Bhopal and I am 12 years old. I like to play football, skating and swimming. I like to solve Rubik cubes and make YouTube videos. I also play piano.
Beautiful. You are quite versatile then.
Yeah.
Okay, what about you, Dravya?
So my name is Dravya. I'm 14. I just came in 9th and I've chosen commerce as a field.
Okay.
I study in Anandiketan Satellite School. I am really passionate about football. I love to play chess and I really like to play the guitar.
Okay.
And yeah, I think that's it.
And which is your favorite subject then?
Sports.
That's
Commerce, I think commerce.
All right. Okay. Okay. What about you, Pushti? How old are you?
I am 17.
Lovely.
I just came in 12th grade and I have chosen biology, different from a lot of people present here. I really feel passionate about music. Music is my safe space. And I love reading. I love reading different genres and I just like getting to know people.
Wow, wonderful. Yes, Krisha.
I am 14 years. I have turned 14 this year, I study in Utkam. I just came in 9th grade. I love art. Other than that, I like chemistry and bio.
Oh wow.
And I like singing and reading.
I too love singing. चलो एक सेशन अपने दोनों का हो जाएगा.
Yeah, I want to add one thing. Like I also do art sketching and I watch anime and read mangas, lots of mangas, and I want to like this year I have a goal. I want to create my own manga.
And this year I have a goal. I want to learn cinematography.
Lovely. So can you think these people, these young minds have so many goals on their hand. So एक इससे question मुझे आता है बहुत strong है. क्या ये goals pursue करने के लिए have you thought of leaving up the screen? So I don't say that watching screens are bad. They are equally important. Even we do so. But how do you ensure that the love that you have, the passion that you have for your hobbies and everything, how do you manage that? Screen time कितना होता है आप लोगों का?
2 hours
2 hours a day.
Yeah.
Be it weekend or a normal day.
normally.
Weekends?
Weekends 2.5 hours.
Okay, not.
I have to play.
Deviation बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है. कोई बात नहीं. What about you?
I can't lie here because.
Okay, how much?
So I think 2 hours, but on weekends it's kind of less because I'm out with my family. I don't get too much chance to use the screen. If I did, yes.
Watching a screen for hours, or rather than, let me phrase it that how much constructive do you use the screen? Because since you are 17, eldest of all, do you find using the screen constructively is really making sense?
I would say yes. So I said my music is my safe space, and sometimes I like to watch people perform. So of course, my screen time, a major chunk of my screen time, I use it constructively. Whether it is to read about something that I want to know, like what is happening around the world, or do I want to know more about an artist. So the major chunk of it is that. But of course, some part of it I allow myself to socialize, to just scroll, and yeah. But it is very important to use that screen constructively.
Constructively, that's the
Yes.
main word. Right, what about you, Krisha?
To be honest, actually, I see phone a lot.
Okay.
Like, some part of me actually wants to destroy this bad habit because at a point in my life, I think that I want to know more about art and learn more. And my mom, I don't know when she doesn't scold me and when she doesn't motivate me to do more drawing. But then I'm happy that she still pushes me to stop seeing and do something creative and innovative. So yeah, I will be happy to work more upon it.
Lovely, that's a very progressive
For
one.
screen, like I want to be a gaming YouTuber. So like I want to do lots of gaming, but like in a limit for like 2 hours. Then the next day I edit the video and upload it in 1 or 2 days.
So can I just add
Yeah,
something?
please, yes,
See,
please.
I want to learn cinematography. So most of my YouTube feed is first filled with football edits. Most of my search history is filled with how to play this song on guitar.
Okay.
Most of my screen time, 80% of it is filled with Spotify.
Okay.
And the other half of my YouTube fills only cinematography videos.
I think I had to cover 1 hour of pod talk only for the screen because you guys have a lot to speak on it.
Yeah.
Yes, Ashwin, you want to bring on something?
Yeah, like football edits and lots of about animals and this piano for piano and all that.
Tell me one thing, kids. None of you have mentioned about meditation.
No,
I used to go to yoga classes.
Yeah, but do you aspire to be? Because that brings so much of peace and soulfulness to yourself.
Like-
do you feel so?
This Saturday it was Hanuman Jayanti. So I saw one video that said like if you speak Hanuman Chalisa 21 times, it removes all the negative energy from you. So this Saturday I said for like 1 hour and I spoke the Hanuman Chalisa 21 times without even seeing because I know it on my mind.
My point over here is how about I love music, I love to sing, I would love to learn cinematography and the video cuts and edits, everything. But something for yourself, just like you mentioned, music for your soul.
Yeah,
That's a
I
safe
wanted
space.
to add upon. So it's not exactly meditating, but I ensure that I take out at least 5 to 10 minutes to introspect. what I've done throughout the day.
Lovely.
And I would eventually like to not exactly meditate. I don't know if I have it in me, but I would also like to have a certain 5 or 10 minutes of the day where I'm not doing anything and I'm just spending time with my body and my breathing. That's it.
So you all know the way when you need to have some calmness in your body, in your mind, you know which way to opt for. Dravi, you wanted to mention something?
Yes, I don't meditate.
Okay.
I don't want personal space. So I've heard a lot of my family members saying I need at least 10 to 15 minutes in a day, even my friends, that without myself, no TV, no screen, nothing. I can't do that personally. I just fall asleep in between. So I always felt as though I have to do something, because if I'm shut with myself and my personal thoughts, I don't feel good. I've tried it, believe me. So I have to do something. I have to preoccupy my mind, because other than that, I can't. All I go back to thinking is, कब ये खत्म होगा 10-15 मिनट में बाहर जा सकता हूँ. So
You don't have to enforce yourself. If you're
No.
meditating, it cannot be an
and if I
enforced
really
one.
want to introspect, I can't sleep. Then what is that time for when I'm trying to sleep?
Lovely.
I just
Okay.
think about everything. If
That's your style. Nice. Okay, we need to move on to next question. Shashwat, I can really talk and talk, but we need to move on.
Okay.
Tell me about you all. What are your aspirations? First, turn by turn, and if you have thought of doing business, because here you pitched with Sporticals. Even while pitching the Sportical, did that spark come into you that I really want to do business? If not Sporticals, then in anything else. Are you aiming, aspiring to be an entrepreneur someday in your life? Starting with Pushti first.
Okay. I aspire to, okay, I'm studying bio. I aspire to be a medical professional, of course.
Lovely.
And, okay, I'm not sure if I'll be a doctor or if, okay, one thing that's final is I'm not doing dentistry like my parents do.
Okay.
But I am majorly planning to keep their legacy forward by choosing the right people and doing all of that. So that kept aside, I myself want to contribute to the field of medicine. I would love to be an entrepreneur and provide something that is ensuring not just the well-being of the upper classes, because it's a hard reality that it costs a lot to take care of your health. And I would also like to touch into the sector where people do not have money and they need urgent medical care. I would like to go into that area especially.
Lovely. You've got genes of your parents who love and who aims
Yes.
to be a philanthropist as well.
Yes.
They love, they do a lot of them. I know that. All right. What about Krisha?
Okay, since childhood, I've seen my parents in the last, when I was 5, I literally saw my parents taking drawing classes. And I was inspired by them, by their drawings, and I loved them. That was one factor that encouraged me to pursue something in art. Other than that, these last 2 years, I went to a summer fest with my mom, and there I saw a stall where a lady was selling some of her paintings, which were very beautiful. So at that point, my mom pushed me and motivated me to, at some point in future, make some paintings if I can, and sell it and start my own way to spread my belief in art, because I love art and my mother and father inspired me.
Lovely. So we are going to see an artist Krisha Tatad signed with K Tatad. Someday in future, I'll be the first one to buy that. Lovely, Krisha. What about you, Shashwat?
Really, I thought about business, and I mainly want to go into sports like playing football. But for business, I thought about like Sporticals was renting out products for disabled people. I thought about like creating different gadgets and equipment for normal people who like help that helps in sports. Like some people are not so strong, and like developing gadgets that helps them run faster or something.
But will that be allowed?
I don't think so.
But okay, you're going to form
Yeah.
a niche in your segment.
Yeah,
That's
by
what I understand.
reading all the rules and all that.
Nice.
And I'm good at art, so creating the design would be easier for me.
So product designing and of course
Yeah.
executing that.
Recently, I made a drawing of Hanumanji and uploaded on YouTube. It got 1.8k views.
Lovely.
It's still going on. I uploaded on Saturday. It's 1.8k right now.
Lovely. Nice. We are also wanting to watch that. But yes. Okay, what about you,
So
Dravya?
I have absolutely no idea.
Super.
But what I do know is I want to go into the field of commerce. If you ever see me going into science, it's an imposter.
Imposter. Okay, alright.
Both my parents, my mother has done MBA, she has it.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
my father has done CA, he is a CA. So, of course, I just want to go into the commerce field and I have chosen commerce. So, if I do anything, it will be in commerce. And of course, I also want to join growth.
Okay.
When I go older.
Lovely.
Do it.
Nice. I like the plannings. So even at in your teenagers, I'll be very honest. When I was teenager, like 14, like you, Krisha and Dravya, 14 or 12 or 17, I was only thinking about how do I score better. I had no idea that what am I going to pursue in my future. So it's really great to know. And I will also give you one piece of advice that the more you speak about your plans, the more affirmations you get within yourself. So one day, sit on a table and manifest for yourself, and you would see that coming true. You've got 5, 7 years, 10 years in your life to reach out to your goals. So I wish you great luck. And moving on to next question, what do I have it? Okay, I want to know about views from each one of you in a very short way. What is failure to you? See, success everyone knows. Everyone knows, okay? What is failure to you? Have you ever failed?
Failure is a part of success for me, and the only way I'll fail in life is when I stop trying.
Wow.
Like I
lovely.
have a YouTube channel and I uploaded lots of shorts, but they weren't going viral. And this Saturday I uploaded a sketch about Hanumanji, and it got 1.8k views, and it's like in 2 days it got 1.8. Today I checked in the morning, it was 1.8k views, and it's still going on. I have to check again.
Nice. So that's, you mean to say that just keep on doing the work.
Yeah,
and
never stop trying.
perseverance.
Never stop trying.
Never stop trying.
Practice and practice and practice.
Lovely.
Well, I see failure as a
Uh-huh.
a step, but a slightly smaller step than success. So, for example, we participated in the ARA Futures League football competition at school. The first match we played, we lost 5-0.
Oh.
If I say so myself, I played, none of us played good. The next match we tied 3-all, in which I scored the goal of the week.
Uh-huh.
And then we won 3-1. Afterwards, we won 6-1.
Oh, wow.
Afterwards, we lost 5-0 again.
Okay.
And afterwards, we lost 3-1 again.
Okay.
So, of course, the last two matches, not counting that, I think we really built up on our failures. And as a team, we progressed further and further, winning more games than we really thought we would.
So to you, the failure is a step just a little shorter than the success one. Lovely. What about you, Pushti?
I completely agree with Dravya. I see failures as stepping stones. I look at them as opportunities to review what mistakes have I done, or what could I have done better, or just what went missing. And instead of taking failure as a thing that you do negative self-talk about, I would like to failure to be an opportunity to learn about myself, learn about the situations. And just a very concrete example is I'm learning the guitar. It's not always you can play the F chord. It's the most difficult. Yeah. So it's just you have to progressively look at what you're doing wrong and just build upon that, and you'll finally succeed.
But do you lose temper when you are not able to play the F chord?
It sometimes gets frustrating, for sure. I don't go into outrage, but it gets frustrating, and you just have to remind yourself that it's a skill and you're working towards it.
Lovely. What about you, Trisha?
Yes, I agree with all their opinions about failure. I think failure is a phase where you are disappointed with yourself or your work. But I think that though I've never reached failure, I think failure is always temporary. What is permanent is success. And if we don't stop trying, we'll never reach failure.
Right.
If we stop trying, we can reach failure. But if we never stop trying, then we can reach perfection,
Right.
success.
And you keep doing that, the same thing for
Yeah,
yourself?
exactly.
What's so specific? What about that banner?
Yeah, so basically, ma'am, our teachers always give us specific deadlines, and some of us think that no, it isn't possible to finish this big poster in this much time. But I always say that we can do it. We can sacrifice some of our classes and paint more. Give it some more of our time, and that's it. It always gets over.
Lovely. So, and you do message? Do you convey the same message to your friends as well? Do they stay inspired from your this thought?
No.
No.
My friends are stupid.
Oh, the boys are like that. So
My
what
friends
about
think I'm
girls?
stupid.
Okay. What about girls?
I don't know, but it's a mutual thing. Like,
So you also stay inspired with them.
yeah.
My best friend, instead of doing work, he's sitting in the class, chilling. He asks me to send the work.
Okay.
He finishes it at home. I don't know how, in 2 days, and he's just chilling in the class. He says, "Send me the work." Huh? He's playing with a season ball.
Okay.
In between the class, he's eating.
Huh.
And asks me to send the work.
But you then, if you are polls about how is he your best friend, what do you like best in him?
Yeah, he pushes me forward sometimes.
Lovely. That's what the friends really do. Very nice.
Like in football, he when he doesn't know a skill, I always give him advice and he thanks me.
I need to cover up this question quickly. Name 4 friends in front of your camera whom you really like or they have inspired you at some point of time or probably pushed you hard. Starting from Dravya.
Rohan, Arush, Sahaj,
Okay, 3 all. Pushti.
Okay. Anya, Kea, Param, and my mom.
Param.
Lovely. Your time is up. Alright, Krisha.
Riva, Divisha, Angel, Lily.
Lovely.
I have 5. Arav, Shivansh, Rushank, Kayan, and there was a group of 5. Pranchu.
Lovely. So all these friends, you need to understand that your friend here, he's on the table and she's on the table. They really think you are cool and you keep them inspired. Alright, so up next we need to. This question is going to be really very, chaotic type little maybe, and of course it has a very funny aspect. I need to know कि ये टीम वर्क जितना बोल रहे थे ना हमने टीम वर्क में किया अब देखते हैं कि टीम कितनी स्ट्रॉन्ग है and are they coming on to one consensus. So here is the question. Point a person whose creative introduction you had liked the most. Okay, by the way, for the audience, CYO में ऐसा था कि every kid has to bring up their creative introduction of their parents. उनके parents ग्रोथ में मेंबर है, सो वो कोई एक बिजनेस रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं और इन लोगों को वो बहुत क्रिएटिवली उनका बिजनेस इंट्रोडक्शन प्रेजेंट करना था. सो नाउ टीम टू यू हैव टू पॉइंट आउट अ पर्सन राइट हियर ऑन द टेबल हुज क्रिएटिव इंट्रोडक्शन यू हैड लाइक द मोस्ट.
Yeah, you should point it
टीम
somewhere.
एफर्ट बहुत जबरदस्त है भाई, ये टीम बहुत ही अच्छी है. सो नाउ शाश्वत, आपको वो अपना क्रिएटिव इंट्रोडक्शन यहाँ पे शेयर करना पड़ेगा इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा. द कैमरा इज राइट हियर फॉर यू. यू हैव टू शेयर दैट टू ऑल द ऑडियंस राइट हियर. व्हाट डिड यू स्पीक फॉर योर डैड्स बिजनेस? What is your dad? Actually, first of all, वो बताओ.
My dad is an interior designer.
Okay, and which creative introduction you shared to win that thing? जी point कर रहा है.
अरे देवा, बहुत टेंशन है ना जिंदगी में. ऑफिस डिजाइनिंग का टेंशन, घर की डिजाइनिंग का टेंशन, बहुत टेंशन है. लेकिन अब तुम टेंशन मत लो, मैं आ गया है तुम्हारा गोड बोले तो ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल टाइम. Hello, and my name is Shashwat Gandhi, and I am the CYO of Shalin Gandhi Design Studios. At Shalin Gandhi Design Studios, we are committed to merge creativity with comfort. And at SGDS, we are not just building houses, but we are building relationships. As the legendary Amitabh Bachchan said in the film Silsila, जब हम घर बनाते हैं तो हम दीवाने नहीं दिल भी बनाते हैं. A designs resonate deeply, capturing the essence of what makes a space truly beautiful. And bro, you can transform your vision into reality with SGDS. So contact us when you want to transform your vision into reality. Thank you.
Lovely. So सब देवा से बात ये है कि शालीन गांधी का बहुत जल्दी रिटायर होना पड़ेगा. शाश्वत गांधी is coming up as a CYO, Abhi CYO, and then CEO of Shaleen Gandhi Design Studio. All right, on that note, now we are moving on to the next round of question. This is called a rapid fire. आपने सबने प्ले कभी ना कभी तो
Coffee with Karan.
Coffee with Karan, yes. So rapid fire.
Personally, never went to coffee with Karan.
Oh,
Yeah, neither have
okay,
I.
all right. But that's great. आप यहीं के लिए बने थे. Okay, so rapid fire question में I'll ask you a certain question pointing out to a person and you'll have to answer it in a very quick manner. We start? Alright, so the first question is for Dravya. Name two brands that quickly comes into your mind and why do you remember it?
Nike and Vector. Okay. So Nike because I'm really sports oriented. I see Nike as a company that I would always wish to use,
Mm-hmm.
and Vector because in my football class we use Vector words. They're perfect for training, and I've basically fallen in love with them now.
Oh, lovely. So you've fallen in love with the brands that you use. Nice, cool. So up next, the question is for Shashwat. One good habit that you really want to continue and one bad habit that you want to overcome.
Okay, so the good habit is reading books
Lovely.
and still playing football, continue practicing, and in this year I want to play for a club level.
Okay.
And the bad habit is sometimes I excessively watch screen, so I want to leave that.
Oh, your parents would be so happy that you've already realized it. Nice, cool. Next question is up for Pushti. One memorable, proud moment of your life.
The proud moment that quickly comes into my mind is I gave a speech on gratitude for 10 minutes in front of 100 to 150 people, and it was a memorable, proud moment for me and my parents because I got to talk about what I feel deeply about.
When did this happen?
That was back in December 2022.
Oh,
Lovely, lovely. All right. So this question is for Krisha. This is a very secret question, okay? How do you convince your parents for something that you want to do and then they deny?
Actually, I think this is very common.
Uh-huh.
But when they are talking to someone on their phones, I sneak into the room and I ask them for anything I want, and most of the time they have to say yes because they're on the call and they have no option, and then I get the thing I want.
ओके हाँ तो ये कॉमन लगता ही है यहाँ पे जान के मुझे कि ऐसा होता है होता है हाँ पक्का होता है ओके सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर द्रव्या अगेन इफ यू हैव टू गो फॉर एन इंटर्न एट योर पेरेंट्स बिजनेस ऑफिस हाउ डू यू सी दैट हैपनिंग सो व्हाट विल बी योर विश आप क्या करना चाहोगे वहाँ पे
Okay, so first of all, I'll come with my mom. I'll go with my mom. I would love to meet the people that are coming into our office, get business, and I would just love to introduce myself, talk to them, and maybe get them to join Growth if they haven't already. I would bring coffee and eat pizza.
एवरी डे ऐसे
Some
इंटर्न्स
days
नहीं चलते
Some days I eat pasta. Some days I eat.
वो भी वैसे इंटर्न्स नहीं चलते ओके व्हाट अबाउट नेक्स्ट एंड
Yeah, no, that's it.
ओके
I think that's what I would love.
एंड
to
लीव
do.
व्हेन
Leave when my mother leaves.
Okay, so full time. Intern is for full time.
Full-time.
Or I would quickly hire such type of interns then. Okay, so up next, the next question is for Shashwat.
Yeah.
Do you have any partner in your crime?
my best friends,
Friends. Mane, name them.
Asad and Rian.
Asad and Rian. What do you do?
Sometimes like in the Hindi period in 5th, like when ma'am was teaching, it was Friday and we had to sit roll number wise for our weekly test. So in this, one of our friend that sits behind me came about a joke and I it was discussing about something and I cracked the joke and then we were all laughing and laughing. The whole period we laughed and we were just gossiping. The period would over, we were like, oh my god, the period would over so soon. Why? Why?
You wanted to laugh a little more?
Yeah, let the fun begin.
Begin. Let the fun continue.
Now begin.
Okay.
That was starting.
Acha, all right. This one is for Pushti. Pushti, one skill that you're good at.
I believe I'm good, and people have told me that I'm good at communicating and getting my message across.
Great, cool. Now, so as we are just being at the verge of ending this conversation, I want two things from each one of you. Quickly, one thing that you aspire to be in your future.
I aspire to become an individual who's self-dependent. I aspire to become an individual who's supporting my parents. And I aspire to become an individual who contributes to the society as well as my profession.
Lovely. What about you?
Sportsman.
Aha, clear, defined. What about you, Prisha?
I want to pursue something in arts.
Lovely.
My parents have always supported me in that matter,
Hmm.
and I like to make my parents proud someday by achieving the stage.
Lovely. What about you, Dravid?
I aspire to become an inspiration,
Uh-huh.
a rich inspiration.
Rich inspiration. This guy has got something in him.
Idol is Ronaldo, so obvious.
I'm taking my inspiration from a fictional character, Tony Stark.
Ah, Stony. Wow.
So हर एक चीज में agree करते हैं.
Yeah, I agree.
I guess boys are typical boys over here. All right. So now the last कहते हैं ना पड़ाव ये conversation का ये pot talk का one message that you would like to share with your parent right in the camera that is in front of you, starting from Pushti, and everyone will share one message for your parents.
Okay. Hi, Mama. This is for you. I love the work that you do for me, for yourself, for Papa, for your profession, and for our whole family. I love that you are spending time for yourself. I love that you're taking care of yourself. I love that you support me in everything you do. I love that you support me in everything I do, and I hope that I support you in everything you do. That got a little bit confusing. This is for Papa. I love the dedication that you have towards your work. I love you're not afraid to spend n number of hours at the clinic. I love that you're always eager to provide best service to anybody who steps into the clinic. This is for Mama Papa both. I am really grateful to have both of you in my life. I really love that you are encouraging me to become a confident individual, and I love that you always handle the conversations which tell me to become a dentist, because I know that both of you always support me in whatever I'll do in my future. So thank you.
Lovely. Okay, Sashwat, I want a message from your side for your parents. But first of all, just to mention that what are your parents into?
My mother is a macram artist and she makes lots of products out of macram. And my dad is an interior designer.
Okay.
So, Boju, Mama, and Papa. This is for Mom. Mom, I love the way you work, creating new designs and doing all the things, making reels, and those are going very viral right now. And I love macram that you do. I love your products, but I have one complaint. Whenever I help you in making reels, giving you ideas, you don't pay me. So next time you have to start paying me. And for Papa, I love how he designs the homes, and each of his project looks very beautiful, and I always love the project. So bye for now. For now.
All right, Krisha.
Okay, so my parents, actually, I am very proud of them. I hope you are listening and smiling. You remember that whenever I came to the stores, I started trying some opticals on me. Though I wouldn't get the chance to at least buy them, and I would offer to help, and I love to actually help. Besides that, actually at home too, you try to spend more time with me, and I love that factor. Other than that, I should also include my sister, who I often claim as my second mother. She is my partner in crime. She is the one who I can cry to, and she is the one who can always support me if my parents aren't. So I love you all.
Lovely. What about you, Dravid?
So, hello, Mama, Papa. So one thing I really like about you is how supportive you are towards whatever I do. If I'm playing football downstairs, so पांच गोल मारे ना तो जोड़ देता तो घर में आवा नहीं दूँगा. And if I'm watching an RCB match and it's 11:30, 11:45 on a school night, you won't tell me to go to sleep. You'll tell me finish the match, watch the match, tell me who's the man of the match tomorrow, and then you can go to sleep because I'm feeling very sleepy. Okay. And I just love how resilient you are. If anything bad happens, you'll just bounce back so quickly, I won't even know. And you just, I think that's it. But supportiveness that you have is crazy. I couldn't ask for more.
Oh wow, thank you so much. All right, so these were the messages for the parents. You should know that your kids are feeling amazing for you all, and I'm pretty sure that there will be lot of teenagers who would be feeling the same, having the same feeling for their parents. They are pretty cool, and the generation over here have grown in a way that parents and the teenagers feel they are friends, they are partners in crime, and they are soon to have a lot of collaborations. On that note, thank you so much audience for watching out our show. Do like, share and subscribe to Growth Pod Talk Show, because we are going to bring lot of good new people over here. And one fine day, let me just tell you that these people who are sitting right here in the teenage time, I would manifest that after a few years, they would be coming up here talking about their short business plan as an entrepreneur, as a full-proof entrepreneur, and I'm pretty sure that they're going to do, because they have been fabulous today. Thank you so much and keep watching us. Thank you kids. Bye.